All right, guys, we got a 1982 Chevy S10 SS10. Look at that, that's pretty cool, right there. Anyways, as you guys can see from the tires, it is tubbed. It's a race truck. So we even work on race trucks. We work on anything, guys. As long as it has an engine and goes down the road, we can do it. It's got long tube headers, custom to the side, there, and there. What size motor's in it?
Small block.
A small block. Punched out to 406. So what we did side the exhaust on each side, as you guys can see. So you can take it down the track with no problems. There, right there, there's the glass packs, APs, there. And on this side matching. That came out absolutely beautiful. And as you guys can see from the tires, it's tubbed and ready for action. Look at that. It's insane, I love that look. Anyways, one of these days I'm gonna tub something like that. Make it just stand out. Look at that. It's just beast, man. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second, and he's gonna take it down the road before he puts it back on the trailer for us. So you guys can see what it sounds like. This is the inside of it, guys. You can tell it's track ready. Look at the roll cage, everything. It's really nicely done. You guys, you need a seat belt this thick. Look at that.
Yeah.
Make sure it holds.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome.